501R invites you to be a part of our integrated farm tour, where you are going to experience the integration of the various farming techniques and farming methods that are all tied towards ensuring that we have a close energy flow system within our farm. This involves our livestock and plants all working in harmony to ensure that we maximize the production and productivity of each of the various parts of the farm. You are going to be able to experience consuming products that are directly derived from the farm in a wholesome meal that can be prepared right on site.